Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your account has been disabled in App Store and iTunes. So guys, when you open your App Store and want to download or update any app and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after doing this, you need to open your settings, and guys, you need to open your Apple ID in your iPhone. And guys, first of all, you need to click on sign in and security, and guys, after this, simply you need to click on change password. And guys, after clicking on it, you need to wait for a few seconds, so maybe it takes more time. So guys, now you can see this type of interface will be open. So guys, here you need to put your iPhone passcode, and guys, after doing this, here you can see here you can change your new password of your Apple ID. So guys, here you need to enter your new password and verify new password, and guys, click on change. And guys, after this, your password will be changed. And guys, the second step is you need to scroll it down. Here is the option of media and purchases, and guys, you need to click on view account. And guys, after doing this, you need to wait for a few seconds for new page opening. So guys, when new page open, then I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see this type of interface will be open. So guys, simply here you need to enter your Apple ID password. And guys, after entering your password, simply you need to click on done. And guys, after this, maybe my password goes to incorrect. So guys, now I am writing my password again and wait for a few seconds. And guys, now I am clicking on done, and guys, now I am checking that waiting for next page opening. So guys, now you can see page is on loading. So guys, you need to wait for new page opening. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see this type of interface will be open. So guys, simply you need to click on country or region, and guys, after this, you need to wait. So guys, your page is on loading. So guys, now you can see here. So guys, simply you need to wait for page opening. So guys, then I'll tell you what you need to do. So guys, wait for a few seconds. So guys, now you can see this type of interface will be open. So guys, simply you need to click on change country or region. So guys, simply you need to click on it, and guys, from here you can select your own country. So guys, for example, I want to select this United States. So guys, simply you need to select that country, and guys, after this, you need to wait, and guys, simply you need to agree with terms and conditions. And guys, after doing this, if you want to purchase any app or any other subscription in your iPhone, then guys, you need to add your payment method. And guys, if you do not want to add any payment method, then you need to click on none. And guys, after this, here you need to fill all the required portions: street, city, state, zip code, and phone number. And guys, after doing this, you need to click on next, and guys, save your all the informations. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment, and share. Thank you.